In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a video call in HoneyBook using either Zoom or Google Meet. This process is simple and straightforward, so let's jump right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your HoneyBook dashboard. Once there, you'll see an option labeled Tools. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Scheduler. This is where you'll be able to organize all of your video calls in one convenient spot. With the scheduler open, the next step is to either create a new service or edit an existing one. If you're setting this up for the first time, click on Plus New Service. For those tweaking a current setup, just select the service you want to modify. Naming your service is crucial here. You could call it something straightforward like consultation call or Zoom meeting, whichever suits the nature of the meeting you are organizing. A clear name helps both you and your clients know exactly what the service pertains to. Next, we need to enable the video conferencing feature. To do this, navigate to the location section within your service setup. Here, you'll be given an option to select either Zoom or Google Meet as your video conferencing tool. Choosing one will prompt you to connect the respective account. So if you've selected Zoom, you'll need to link your Zoom account. The same goes for Google Meet. It's a simple process, usually just requiring your login credentials, and ensures that everything is connected smoothly for scheduling. Now let's move on to setting your availability. This is a critical step to ensure that you and your clients are on the same page regarding timings. You'll be able to select your available days and times. It's essential to make sure your calendar is synced during this step. A synced calendar helps prevent double bookings and keeps your schedule conflict-free. You might find it helpful to check this part regularly to account for any changes in your availability. Once everything is set to your liking, the final task is to share the scheduler with your clients. After saving all the adjustments and settings you've configured for your service, you'll need to share the scheduler link. This can be done effortlessly via email, a smart file, or even through a lead form. Sharing the link allows clients to book appointments based on your established availability, streamlining the scheduling process. And there you have it. You now know how to schedule a video call using HoneyBook. By following these steps, you'll find organizing your meetings with Zoom or Google Meet much more manageable. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.